Spurs are Wadi. Peruzzi.
If he had come, make it listen. All day, GPU with the bank for my system. Gojo, call your sister. I get plan. I'll give you my life.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a crochet braids tutorial. It's been a while I actually did one. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful crochet braids using this hair from Trendy Tresses company. I'm going to leave all the hair specs and the hair link in the description box below. This is a very affordable hairstyle, and I only use 2 packs to achieve this style. So if you're looking for something to do for Christmas, I promise you this actually, you know, looks very beautiful, and at the same time it is affordable. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do the crochet braids and how I was able to knot it very well. So this type of hair, crochet hair, is normally slick, so if you don't knot it properly, they're definitely going to fall off. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to knot this hair properly. Like, it's gonna hardly go off. Like, you can keep this hair for up to a month if you want, and that is what it's gonna be. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you learn something from this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to like this video and also share with your friends. So now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so as you guys can see, I'm almost done with my braiding pattern. It's just a simple all to the back. I noticed that my edges are almost gone. I have absolutely no idea what's happening. I think it's because I just had a baby, but I'm just trying to grow it back. So this is what the braiding pattern looks like. So this is the hair I'll be using to do this crochet braid. I actually used just 2 packs to achieve it. I'll just take 1 strand and then I'll split it into so many strands. But before I do that, I just went ahead to apply my virgin hair fertilizer, especially on my edges, because I'm trying to grow my edges back. Then right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do the crochet braids. It's just the normal way we do crochet braids, but this time I decided to knot this particular one very well. I did knot it about 4 or 5 times, I think 4 times, just to make sure that it's properly secured. You guys can see it's very well secured. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys again. So you guys can see that they are very well secured. So that's just what I'm gonna keep doing. So once I'm done with the crochet braids, I just went ahead to apply gel on my edges. This is totally optional. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my hair oil. I'm gonna apply it on the hair. Then after that, I'm gonna apply my hair mousse. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Ninja flavor.